Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off send message sound on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off send message sound on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon, and when this drop-down menu appears, tap on settings. And over here you can see the notifications option available for us below the chats. Tap on notifications, and over here at the top of the list here it says the conversation tones, and below it says play sounds for incoming and outgoing messages, and there's a toggle icon at the right side of it. Tap on it, and then after turning off that toggle icon, your sent message sound on WhatsApp will be turned off. And then guys, this is how to turn off sent message sound on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.